Hi everyone, I'm Jane Hughes from Amy and Friends. I'm Amy's mum. We're about to embark on a cycle, 180 miles, going through 3 different countries in 3 days. We're so grateful to everybody that helps, everybody, all the children, all the families. You know, it's just amazing that we can all get together, have such a brilliant time. We'll have a laugh, but also we're helping these children that are so really sick too. So I know we'll have some little angels watching us, and I'm really grateful to Jayne O'Gorman for Azure for starting all this for us, and to everybody that's joining us too. So thank you very much. See you on the way.
So we are here at Azure HQ in Chester, and we are about to set sail. We're about to make our way down to Dover, and in the morning we are going to start our charity cycle ride. We are travelling from Dunkirk to Eindhoven, 180 miles in 3 days. So we're here, we're all really excited, a little bit of nerves going on too, but we just want to thank everybody that has got behind our challenge. We are raising awareness and funds for Amy and Friends, which is the most amazing children's charity. So wish us luck, think of us over these next few days. Thank you so much, everyone.
Very good.
Here we go.
Woo! Yay! Woohoo! Won't be saying woohoo tomorrow.
Hi everyone, I'm Danny Cassell, General Manager from Village Hotel St David. We've been a big supporter of Amy and Friends in the last few years, held one of their big events 2022, hopefully another one coming soon. So great cause that we're spinning for, or riding for. I reckon I just got to Germany myself in 20 minutes, but now it's tough, very competitive hotel between the staff and the members. So yeah, it's no easy ride, but thank you, all the best.
Hi, my name's Graham. I'm maintenance manager at Village St David. We've been supporting the event for years now, Amy and Friends, and it's a privilege to do so. Long may it continue, all the hard work. Thank you.
I've been riding for Amy and Friends charity from Dover to Eindhoven. Fantastic charity that we've been working with Amy and Friends for nearly 4 years now, helping out with different events, conferences, and just trying to raise awareness. Charity what Jayne does. I'm a fantastic family, amazing charity. Forward to working with them again in the future.
Thank you, Paul, for all that you've done to support Amy and Friends. I've got all your staff over the last 3 days to ride from Dover to Eindhoven in virtual like that. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
So I'm Ashley and this is Caitlin. We're from upstairs at the Grill and Bar Lounge. We're here supporting the Amy and Friends virtual bike ride. We do support Amy and Friends throughout the year. It's an amazing charity and we're always happy to help.
We try to do as much as we can, so today we're all getting involved with that, getting all our miles in and raising some money.
Good luck to the team cycling and yeah, always happy to help.
Obviously it's an amazing course, so as soon as we were asked to jump in, of course we were going to jump in and support and do whatever we could, whether it's after a close or before a long shift.
Definitely, it's always good to help out the community and charities and get the team involved, and it creates really good energy and a good vibes, and it's all for the cause, isn't it? So just like to get involved.
My name is Amanda Jayne O'Gorman and I'm the hotel group manager of Hillbark Hotel and Spa and Eindhoven Hotel. Both are situated on the Wirral. So it was actually at one of the charity lunches that I was introduced to Jane Hughes, who obviously is doing a fantastic job. Nobody better to run this charity because nobody knows the situation like she does. And we just fell in love with her as a team here at Hillbark and Eindhoven. We fell in love with her and what she was doing for her charity. So myself and my entire team today are doing the virtual bike ride of 180 miles to support everybody who is out there now on their bikes. Yeah, so just a nice little message to anybody like us here at Hillbark who haven't heard of the charity and what it's about. I would really urge you to have a look at them online, see what they do and support Jane Hughes in her fantastic hard work and obviously of course Amy's legacy at www.amyandfriends.org.
Team Hillbark supports Amy and Friends! Woo!
Hi, I'm Kerry.
And I'm Katie.
And we work at Triumph and Deeside. This week we've been raising money for Amy and Friends by a virtual bike ride, which Katie is fabulously demonstrating for us just now. We've done over 380 kilometres,
yeah,
is that right? And we've raised money for Amy and Friends through a cake sale and a raffle, as well as the bike ride stuff. We think that Amy and Friends is a really good cause, and we've enjoyed supporting them through Triumph and getting people to give up some of their time to help out.
And we also want to wish everyone a massive good luck riding in person this week.
chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love